Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Blake from 4 Custom Works here. Been a while. New project. Pneumatic Power Hammer. This one I bought the plans from UK gentleman Joshua Desile. These are his plans. My adaptation of them a bit have changed some things from what he's done. So, upgraded a few things. Still the 4-inch anvil, 4-inch hammer, top plate, everything. This channel here, the back channel, I upgraded the size of it. 3/16 wall. The 2-inch here for the rollers, I've gone 1/4-inch wall. Instead of doing long 1/4-inch plates down there, I've decided to use like he uses for the holders here. 2 of them, one there. Just to give it a little more rigidity. 1/2-inch plate on the bottom. I'm presently just squaring it all up, trying to get it all square, even, that type of thing. Because I went back further than what his recommendation is, I've gone back here with my bolts. These are not long enough. They're tight on there right now, but my problem being is I have no clearance between it and the head of it. And I have the same distance of gap everywhere. So I've ordered larger wheels. They're coming. They're quite a bit bigger, which will get me back out here on this plate, top and bottom, and then that'll allow these to guide better. I'm hoping I can get it back further. That's what it'll do. Yeah, so that's there. Yeah, like I say, I'm just getting it to this mode, getting it all evened up. A couple other different things that I'm doing than him is he welded railroad track. I have a piece here. He ground these down and welded it to the bottom of the head, so these were welded onto it. I'm not going to. Once I get this cleaned up and the 1/2-inch plate cleaned up, they'll mount on there, to which then I'll have bolts here. I'll have bolts here. Then I can bolt these on to the anvil and the head. I'm going to drill, tap, and use bolts with lock washers on them to hold them in. That way, if I want to decide I want to change this head, then I'll have a master plate that I'll use for my screw hole and everything all drawn out, ready to go. And then that way, if I want to put different dies in for the hammer, I can put different dies in. So yeah, so this is as far as I've got so far. Waiting on parts and pieces, that type of thing. Christmas holidays through a glitch and things. So yeah, so we have the air ram in the back of there, sitting there. I've also got the, excuse the mess in my shop, I got the solenoid. I'm going to be mounting the solenoid somewhere here, I think. I'm not sure. I got to wire it up. I got to look. I think I'm going to mount it back a bit. And then my lines, all 1/2-inch lines. This is a 3/8 at the back there. This will be all 1/2-inch. Breather cones, my end supply. I have a large enough compressor. So yeah, there's that. Then there's some electronics with it as well too, for the pneumatics on it, which I'll be going over as well too. A couple of top plates I need to finish off. A rubber cushion, still waiting for my rubber cushion. Gonna drill this out. It goes on here. Yeah, so got a few things I got to do here, so it'll be interesting. So yeah, we'll see how it all goes together, what happens here, and that type of thing. So yeah, so thought I'd give you a little run through on the video here of where I am. There's going to be a lot of welding coming up. I just got shit tack weld right now. Just making sure everything's in the right spot. In case I got to grind a tack weld out, reposition something or reset it, then I can reset it and move it. So, yeah, so coming along, the pneumatic power hammer. Can't see much with all the clamps on it and pipe on it, trying to get it straightened up. But yeah, so a couple of weeks from now, I should be further ahead. I'll give you a little better update. I know watching me weld and welding, everybody does welding and everything, but probably just want to get to the end of it here. But yeah, a few things I got to figure out and get done. So yeah, so welcome back to 4-Point Custom Works, and hope you like what you're seeing and everything. And we'll catch you on part 2, I guess will be coming up, and maybe part 3. We'll see. Maybe we'll get to part 3. We'll get her fired up and get her going here. So thanks for coming along, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.